Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out an accessory for your MetaQuest 3 and 3S headsets. This is the CS1 Charging Dock made by ANNAPRO. It's made to charge the batteries that come with their A3 Max battery head strap for the Quest 3 and 3S. It retails for $53 Canadian on their website. It's currently on sale for $43, and you can use my promo code BrianSloanArtist for an extra 10% off on their website. On Amazon, you can use my promo code BrianSloan for an extra 10% off there as well. And this one, I'm going to unbox it, assemble it, show you how to use it, and give you my review of it. If you haven't checked out my other reviews, I'll link that playlist below. Let's jump into this one. Okay, let's unbox this here. Okay, so here's our simple charging dock. I actually like how simple it is. It's pretty lightweight. But it has some grip pads on the bottom there to keep it in place, so it's not really going to go very far. Comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable here as well. And if we just bring it up here, you can see close up what it's like. So if you don't have what is on here, the ANNAPRO A3 Max battery pack head strap, then you don't really need this. So make sure that you are using this head strap or another one by ANNAPRO that is compatible with these batteries. Here's what the box looks like for that one. And all you're going to have to do is plug it in. So let's untwist this here. I've got a USB-C port right over there. And once I've plugged that in, you can see this blue light. Maybe you can't see the blue light. There we go, is shining there. So I'm going to take the battery off of the head strap, and then all you're going to need to do is put it on, and boom, you can see that it's charging. Lights are on, and you can just let it charge until it's full. And that's all you have to do. Then you can take it off. These things love to beep. Put it onto your head strap, and you're good to go. So obviously you can see here this is capable of charging 2, which is nice. So if you're playing with one and charging one, you will basically be able to have an endless play time with this one here. It can charge them a lot faster if you use a 40-watt charger. So I'm not going to give you specific charge times because it really depends on what type of charger you're using. If you're using a 40-watt charger, it can charge both of them at 20 watts each, which will be a lot faster than if you're using a lower watt charger, because then it'll have to split between the two. And so that really depends on what you're doing there. So if you're looking at just getting another battery pack for this, battery pack right now is on sale for $52 Canadian, regular $58. And so you can get another hot swappable battery, like I said, so you can pretty much have continuous playing time, one charging, one playing, all at the same time there. If you are looking at getting the charging dock itself, that is retailing for $43 Canadian right now, regular $52 Canadian, and then you'll have the ability of charging both at the same time, which is pretty nice, charging both, and then you can have that endless playtime. So if you want to use that, make sure you check out the link below. I can link you right to their website, give you my discount code, and you can set yourself up for nice gaming there. If you want to check out my full review of the A3 Max battery head strap, then I'll link that in the description below as well. You can check out this whole battery strap instead of just looking at the charging dock, which we are doing here. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.